I'm in Windermere. Let's go check out this 1,700 square foot, 4-bedroom Windermere house. You are not going to find a value like this anywhere with a lot as large as this one. Interestingly enough, it's a corner, so you're going to get a larger pie lot. My name is Leanna Martins, really the only Edmonton real estate agent to trust. And if you might be considering a relocation, reach out and you can book a one-to-one strategy call with yours truly. If you're still discovering what's the best builder, I got you covered. I've got the top 10 Edmonton and area builders to help you make the right decision and not regret your choice. So let's get in there and see what StreetSide's gonna get you for $555. So right now you can't really see the lot line, right? You're just gonna see a bunch of dirt, but just on the outside of that house, that's gonna be the property line. So to make it make sense, it's gonna be directly between those. You can see where the trench is basically, and it's gonna go likely to that post there. So it'll kind of give you an idea. And then on this side, it's gonna be right between those homes, and it would likely line up with that post at the highest point right there. So then put that together, that ends up being a pretty large lot, which you're not getting in some of the other builds throughout this community in Langdale Village. So the reason that I'm showing you this, I showed you another unit as well from StreetSide, which is directly across the street from this one. So that house was $524. There's also a $519,000 home. These are the last three that are available in Langdale Village. And this one is higher at $555 just because of this larger lot. Boom. And then this one upstairs, so it doesn't have a bonus room. It's got 4 beds upstairs instead. And it also has a double sink, second bathroom upstairs on top of the master having double sinks. So that's some of the differences with the other one. So the other one that I showed has 3 beds up and a bonus room. So just really depending on your family. Is the yard important? Is it not? But these homes are going quick. If you want to find out how to find the most home in your budget in the best community, book a one-on-one strategy call, link below. And again, if you want to find Edmonton's and area's top 10 builders, and you're just looking to educate yourself at this point, I totally got you covered. Click that link below. And again, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.